guys, before we start, I want to say hi to all the beautiful people out there and welcome back to my channel. Catherine here again, and in today's video, I am going to bring you to Cap Malheureux, Mauritius. This village is located in Rivière du Rempart District. The name Cap Malheureux, meaning Cape of Bad Luck, was given by the French who held the island from 1715 to 1810. To make the long story short, the French were defeated and the name Cap Malheureux was named after their defeat by the English who invaded and took over the island from that place. The most famous landmark here is the Notre Dame Auxiliatrice. The church has the most amazing views and it is distinguishable with its bright red roof. It is the best location for weddings and also one of the most well-known photography spots in Mauritius. So if you want to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And also hit the like button and share the love and leave me a message in the comment section if which places you want me to make a video about. Alright, so let's continue. When you walk a few meters behind the Notre Dame Church, you will meet a lot of locals and tourists as well, while mesmerizing a fantastic view and a fresh coconut juice to refreshen your day, like this. For me, this place is one of my favorites here in the island of Mauritius. See the small island over there? That's what I want to watch all the time here. This panoramic view is so stunning and it looks more beautiful with this blue, crystal clear water. So there you have it guys, thanks for watching my video till the end and I hope that you're enjoying it and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time guys, bye!